Hello guys, welcome to our m24.com YouTube channel. Name is Vadim, and today as usual I will comment and you will watch the video. And today we did assemble the OnePlus 7T. This assembly has the second difficulty or middle in our rating difficulty classification and will be disassembled by detaching the back cover. We have already heated the surface of the back cover up to 70°C or 158°F and have used a heating mat to do this, so let's get started. As usual, we take a thin plastic sheet or film. Also, we need isopropyl alcohol. Remember that the easiest place is to push the film through is the corner, better farther from the cameras. Okay, we push the plastic film and spray isopropyl alcohol. Most likely the cover is glassy, so you don't need to bend it. Work with it carefully. We recently had a smartphone and the shooting there was the same adhesive base. When alcohol gets in, it curls up or decomposes and turns into small pieces of sticky dirt. The saddest thing is in this situation is that even if you carefully remove the cover, it will no longer be possible to reuse the adhesive, as for example on Samsung smartphones. But the way is glued very well, and it is not entirely clear where and what is located under the cover. Let's go over the side of the cover with a plastic film. It's not yet clear how to remove the cover protecting the cameras with a flashlight. Should we remove with a back cover or it attached to the middle cover is not clear yet. Something is holding the cover around the cameras. Let's take a hairdryer, temperature 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degrees Fahrenheit. The flow is medium and try to heat it evenly. Something in this corner does not want to unstick at all. Slowly but surely we'll try to do it. We removed the cover. It was quite difficult looking at the location of the adhesive. In addition to the edges, I see on the bottom cover and it's so close to the cameras, and there I see the cable to the flashlight pass through. Take a crosshead screwdriver or Phillips 1.5mm, aka #30, and unscrew the screws. I think all screws are the same. We need to remove the card tray. Please do this first. It's located at the bottom. We take the tool for ejection, insert it into the hole, the mechanism pushes the tray out and we pull it out. We have this tray for 2 SIM cards. We detach the cover, we have it with an NFC and antennas. Now with a plastic tool, disconnect the battery connector and move on to the bottom. Here we also screw all screws. As we can see, there is a warranty sticker on the screw, which means the phone has not been repaired or disassembled before us. We detach the cover as usual. A loudspeaker is built into the cover. Okay, we have a few flat cables here, but we need to remove the subboard. We disconnect the connectors. One is most likely the antenna, and we disconnect the interboard cable and remove it. Apparently the charging port is located on the cable and we can remove the subboard. Let's do it. On the subboard we have a microphone, a cards holder and other soldered parts. Now we need to remove the cable with the charging port. The port itself is not fixed firmly, but under it's a fingerprint sensor. Be careful not to damage anything. We turn to the motherboard, we see two screws, they secured the same Phillips screwdriver and screw the screws. Now we remove the front camera. It has a sticky film, so be careful. We need to disconnect and release the coaxial cable, and also disconnect all other connectors. So we turn the board over, remove the bracket, disconnect the connectors and remove the 3 cameras assembly. Since the TechMan did not release the coaxial cable, do it now. Pay attention to the 2 speakers upper, additionally a loudspeaker and earpiece speaker. Okay guys, now we're done. Thank you for watching. As always, it was a pleasure to comment on this video for you. And guys, you remember the drill. Watch, like or dislike. Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Write your comments. And please take care of yourself.
Hi guys, thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe, share, rate us, and see you in the next video.